Now we're going to look at the last stage in bone stuff, like bone wants to actually form, or like that's like after a fracture. So the bone wants to actually correct the fracture. So the last stage is what is known as bone remodeling. All right, it's called bone remodeling. So just so you know, it's a continuous process by which old bone is broken down and replaced by new bone. Now it could just be like that, or it could be during fractures. The process is actually the same thing. To me, I came across it when I was reading about stages of fracture healing. Okay, so for old bone to be broken down and new bone to be formed is very important because it maintains the bone strength, it repairs micro damage, and it regulates calcium levels in the body. So bone remodeling involves two main types of cells working in balance. We have the osteoclast, which appears to be the old ones. So osteoclasts will be broken down. These are the osteoclasts. They'll be broken down. So when they are broken down, they are broken down by what? Specialized cells. They resolve the old and the damaged bone. So they will now release enzymes and acid to break down the bone tissue and release minerals like calcium into the bloodstream. So that's why sometimes if they want to now do a test to know like how fast your bones have been broken down, they measure the calcium levels in the body. The osteoblast will be what? Building back. Okay, osteoblast will be building back. So these ones are cells that form new bone by producing collagen and mineralizing it. It's calcium and phosphate. They eventually become osteocytes, which are now the matured bone cells. Okay, so phases of bone remodeling is, first we have the activation, which signaling molecules will recruit osteoclasts to the site. Are you saying it? First, you can say first and second drawing there. Resorption, so the osteoclasts break down the bone tissue. Reversal, osteoclasts die off and the osteoblasts are now recruited. Osteoblasts now they'll bring new matrix. So the new bone will now harden with calcium and phosphate. So importance of bone remodeling is what? It maintains the strength, repairs any micro damage. Micro damage is like if there's any small damage to that place, they will repair it. Regulates minerals, adapt to stress. So factors that influence remodeling include your age. So how advanced your age is, can slow down, or increase. Hormones like estrogen, testosterone, parathyroid hormone, vitamin D, all they play very important roles. Nutrition, so adequate calcium and vitamin D are critical. Then also your physical activity, like all those weight bearing exercises can stimulate your bone to actually remodel well and actually become stronger.